Never miss a measurement with this 6-spoon ring measuring set. Includes 1/4 of a teaspoon, 1/3 of a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, half a tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon, perfect for all your baking and cooking needs. Sturdy construction. This spoon set is made of durable white plastic. Unlike other measuring sets that may chip or tarnish over time, this one is sure to keep up with you. Easy storage. These spoons are all stackable, making them compact and small enough to store in any drawer or cabinet. They also come with a convenient ring, so you can even hang them up. Dishwasher safe means that this stackable measuring set is easy to clean, ensuring that it's ready to go when you are, though it is entirely dishwasher safe. It is hand wash recommended so that it may serve you as long as possible. Measurements. This set weighs 16 ounces and has dimensions of 7 by 3 by 15 inches. Fox Run 4826 measuring spoon set, plastic, 6-piece, white. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. I asked my 92-year-old grandfather if we had any measuring spoons. He said we had teaspoons and gave me a regular metal spoon and asked what I needed exact measurements for. Are you making a science experiment? This fulfilled its purpose, and now I don't have to guess every time I want to make brownies. Good value for the money.